Hi, welcome to Top Tech Solutions. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make your computer super fast. Yeah, I mean it super fast. So for those of you who have been having issues of lagging and slow PC performance and CPU performance, I got you covered. So in this video, I'll basically teach you tricks to make your computer super fast. And trust me, your computer will end up running very fast. So to start with this, we are going to use the run window. So you can either launch the run window by right clicking on the start button and clicking on run, or you can basically use the keyboard shortcut, that is Windows plus R. Okay, so after the run window has been opened, you type CLEANMGR. CLEANMGR. So I will type it CLEANMGR and you hit enter. So from here, this pop-up will come asking you to select the drive in which you want to clean. So from here, you also hit OK. So this is the disk cleanup for drive C. Basically, what makes your computers very slow and sluggish is you have a lot of junk files packed up in your drive, the drive in which your Windows is located. So when they are packed up and stuck, it makes your computer very slow and makes it lag a lot. So I'm going to select all these files, including the ones in my recycle bin. And mind you, the ones in your recycle bin, if you do not want to delete them, make sure you copy them from your recycle bin and make it safe. But if you want to delete them, just go straight ahead and select it. So from here you can see I have like 6.25 gig stacked up in my recycle bin, so I'm clearing it. So after you are done selecting, you hit OK and delete files and wait for it to complete. Okay, so after completion, you also launch the run window again by using the same step, that is Windows plus R. So from here, we are going to use a command that is prefetch. So we'll type prefetch and hit OK. So if you have this pop-up, you click continue to give it permission to access the prefetch folder. Okay, so from here you select everything that is inside this folder because they are all basically junk files that makes your computer very slow. So you can select this by using the keyboard shortcut, that is Ctrl plus A, to select all the files, and you hit the delete button to delete all the junk files inside this folder, the prefetch folder. So you can see you cannot delete this one, so you hit do this for all current items and you hit skip to skip them. So after it has completed, you go straight to close this window. So the next thing for us to do, launch the run window again. So we'll open the run window, and this time around we are going to type temp, so TEMP, and you hit OK. So this temp window is basically all your temporal files that are not in use. So if they are not in use, they take up RAM, your memory, so leading to your computers being very slow. So you will repeat the same procedure by selecting all the files in this folder and hitting the delete button. So as you can see, we cannot delete some of these files too because they are essential. So you hit do this for all current items and hit skip, and you close it. The next thing left for us to do is to also launch the run window again, and this time around we are going to type percentage. So percentage temp percentage, and you hit OK. Repeat the same procedure by selecting everything in this folder, and you hit your delete button, skip, and that is that. Okay, the last thing left for us to do is to also launch the run window. Is to launch the run window and type msconfig, as you can see here, msconfig, and hit OK. So from the system configuration window, you select boot from the tabs here. So boot, you hit advanced options. So from advanced options, this box will be unchecked, so you need to check it. So you check it and drop this arrow down, and you select the maximum number of processors you have. For me, I have 4 processors here, so I'll select 4, hit OK, and apply, and OK. So from here, it will tell you to restart your computer, or you can exit without restarting. So I will check this, exit without restarting, but you need to restart your computer for everything you've done to take effect. So thank you for watching this video, and subscribe and share to friends who will be in need of this video.